Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're diving into the world of minimalist travel essentials, where less truly is more. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long-term expedition, we've got you covered with 6 must-have lightweight travel gears that will make your journey not only efficient but also incredibly enjoyable. Say goodbye to overpacking and hello to a simpler, more streamlined way of exploring the world. So grab your passport, pack your curiosity, and let's embark on this minimalist travel gear journey together. Starting with number 1, travel toiletries. When it comes to packing for your minimalist travel adventure, one of the key considerations is your travel toiletries. It's all about maximizing efficiency while minimizing weight and space consumption. To achieve this, opt for travel-sized toiletries or invest in refillable containers. These compact containers not only reduce the overall weight of your luggage, but also free up valuable space for other essentials. Remember, the key here is simplicity, so stick to the basics: a toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and a razor. By carrying only what you truly need, you not only lighten your load, but also ensure that your personal care routine remains uncomplicated and hassle-free throughout your journey. So, whether you're exploring the bustling streets of a city or venturing into the heart of nature, these minimalist toiletry choices will have you covered without bogging you down. Let's move on to number 2, Foldable Daypack. When it comes to minimalist travel essentials, a foldable daypack is an absolute game changer. This versatile piece of gear offers the perfect balance between functionality and compactness. Its lightweight design ensures that it won't add unnecessary weight to your luggage, and its foldable nature means it can easily be stashed away when not in use. A foldable daypack serves multiple purposes during your travels. During day trips, it's your trusty companion for carrying essentials like water bottles, snacks, a camera, and perhaps a light jacket. It's also an excellent choice as a secondary bag for carrying souvenirs or items you pick up along the way without having to lug around your main backpack or suitcase. This minimalist travel essential enhances your travel experience by providing convenience and flexibility without sacrificing space or adding bulk. So, whether you're exploring a bustling city or hiking through pristine landscapes, a foldable daypack is a must-have item that ensures you're always prepared for the adventures that lie ahead. At number 3 on our list is travel hiking poles. When venturing into the great outdoors or planning on some serious trekking during your travels, collapsible hiking poles become a valuable addition to your gear roster. These lightweight and collapsible companions offer numerous benefits for both seasoned hikers and novices alike. First and foremost, collapsible hiking poles provide stability and support on uneven terrain, reducing the strain on your knees and improving your overall balance. This can be a game changer, especially during long hikes or when navigating steep inclines and descents. The collapsible feature is what makes them perfect for minimalist travel. These poles can be easily stowed away in your backpack when not in use, taking up minimal space. This means you can enjoy the benefits of hiking poles without worrying about added bulk or weight. Whether you're exploring a breathtaking mountain trail, navigating dense forests, or simply taking a leisurely stroll through scenic landscapes, travel hiking poles ensure you have the stability and confidence you need to tackle any terrain. So, for those who plan on trekking as part of their travel adventures, these collapsible hiking poles are indeed a valuable addition to your gear arsenal. Bringing us to number 4, travel compression bags. Travel compression bags are a must-have for any minimalist traveler looking to maximize packing efficiency. These ingenious bags offer a simple yet highly effective way to save space and reduce the bulk of your clothing and other soft items. The concept is straightforward. You place your clothing items or other soft belongings inside the compression bag, seal it, and then use the built-in mechanism to remove excess air, effectively compacting the contents. This compression not only frees up valuable space in your luggage, but also helps to keep your items organized and wrinkle-free. The benefits of travel compression bags are especially evident when packing bulkier clothing items like sweaters, jackets, or even bedding. By compressing these items, you can fit more into your suitcase or backpack, allowing you to carry everything you need without the need for a larger bag. Additionally, these bags are a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your dirty laundry separate from your clean clothes during your travels. They help maintain a level of organization that's vital for a stress-free journey. In the world of minimalist travel, where every inch of space and ounce of weight counts, travel compression bags are a game-changing addition to your gear. At number 5, we have Universal Sink Stopper. When you're traveling light and on the go, a universal sink stopper is a brilliant and compact addition to your travel gear. This small but highly practical device allows you to transform any sink into a makeshift laundry station when the need arises. Imagine you've been exploring for a while, and your clothes have accumulated some dirt or odors. Instead of searching for a laundromat or spending money on laundry services, you can simply fill the sink with water, add some detergent, and use the universal sink stopper to seal the drain. This effectively turns your sink into a convenient and efficient washing machine. This minimalist travel essential not only helps you save money, but also space in your luggage, as you can pack fewer clothes and plan for laundry stops along the way. It's particularly handy for extended trips or adventures in remote areas where laundry facilities may be scarce. The universal sink stopper is a testament to the beauty of travel minimalism, allowing you to adapt and be resourceful on your journey while keeping your luggage light and versatile. Let's move on to number 6. A travel belt with a hidden pocket is a clever and discreet solution for safeguarding your valuables while on the move. This innovative accessory combines the practicality of a belt with the security of a concealed pocket, making it an excellent addition to your minimalist travel essentials. The hidden pocket in the belt allows you to store essentials like cash, cards, a spare key, or important documents such as your passport in a secure and inconspicuous manner. This provides peace of mind, knowing that your valuables are close at hand and well protected, even in crowded or unfamiliar environments. One of the key advantages of this minimalist travel gear is its versatility. It seamlessly integrates into your travel attire, so you don't have to carry a separate money belt or pouch, which can be bulky and conspicuous. Instead, your essentials remain within easy reach and completely hidden from potential pickpockets. Whether you're exploring vibrant marketplaces, bustling city streets, or embarking on outdoor adventures, a travel belt with a hidden pocket ensures that your valuables stay safe, leaving you free to immerse yourself in your travel experiences without worry. As we conclude this journey into the world of minimalist travel essentials, we hope you've discovered some valuable tips and gear recommendations to make your adventures simpler, more efficient, and thoroughly enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more travel insights, tips, and gear recommendations, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Until next time, safe travels, and may your minimalist approach lead to maximum adventures.